and going for a walk over a local hill. Why not come with me and see what images we can find? Well, good morning, and you find me still out in the Lake District. I haven't managed to venture further afield, and today I'm actually walking from home, so we are very local. So yeah, what's the plan? I mean, we've had our grandsons all week to stay, although a couple of days they were with the other grandparents, and we're trying to sort out work and everything. I've struggled a bit. So I thought I just need to get out for a walk. So basically that's the idea. I'm just going for a walk, but I'll be on the lookout for images as I go. So where am I going for a walk? Right. As I talk here, I'm now going up Spoony Green Lane. And behind me is Keswick, and shortly I can see it will be going on the bridge over the A66. And this path is, if you're walking from Keswick, it's the path you would use to go up Skiddaw. But at the moment I don't think I'm up to walking up Skiddaw. So where are we going? Well, we're going to go up Latrigg, which is a local hill. I won't call it a mountain. It is a Wainwright, and it's a smidgen over 1,000 feet. So probably about 300 meters or something like that. I mean, this incline on this path is taking it out of me, so I don't think I'd get up Skiddaw at the moment. And from there you get quite good views of Derwentwater and Keswick, and quite a bit of the path going up is in a woodland area, or the forest, whatever you want to call it. So I'm hoping that we might find some images there, because it is still autumn and there is still quite a bit of colour about. So yeah, I don't know whether you can hear now. If I turn round slightly, you can see there, that's the A66 that we're going over. And if I just come up a bit, so as I was saying, hopefully find some nice woodland images on the way up. And if I turn right round, you can see there is Latrigg, or Latrigg. As I say, it's a Wainwright, just over 1,000 foot, and from there we'll hopefully get some nice images of Keswick and Derwentwater. The weather is supposed to be sunny intervals with rain showers, so there's been an odd bit of rain. It's supposed to be best at now, really, the time of day that I'm coming out. So hopefully we can avoid getting wet. Don't mind getting a bit damp. I don't really want to get absolutely torrential rained on. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do, and we're not coming down the same way. We're going to go off the other side and through the woodland at the other side, dropping down, and I can't remember now. I haven't checked the map. I mean, I have done it before, exactly where that will bring us out. So yeah, so I think we'll stop rambling on about that. We'll get a march on and we'll see if we can come up with some woodland images before we get to the top. So we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we're now at the top and on the way up, as well as taking some B-roll. I have taken some handheld images which you'll have seen mixed in with the B-roll. And you can see there's Derwentwater and Keswick down there. The light is very challenging, shall we say. Let's just, if we just come down a bit. Yeah, I mean, I've taken some handheld shots to catch the rays that are coming through. But I don't think I'm going to get a nice picture postcard type of image today. The light's just not playing ball, unless as it moves across it changes. So we'll see what happens. As I say, I've taken some handheld ones and I'll maybe take some more. There's not a lot to see. That, as I say, the light is very challenging because the sky is very bright. And then other bits are quite dark. So, but from here, I mean, this is classed as the viewpoint. But if we just show you behind there, that's where we're going to go up there. That's probably the highest point. We'll go a bit further along, and then there's some woodland area the other side to go back down. So, yeah, I mean, it's good to get out and good to get a good walk. I've done about 2.5 miles so far, so it's going to be 5 or 6 miles by the end of it, and probably about 1,000 feet of ascent. So, no, that'll be good. It'll do me good. It'll get me, try and get me towards fitness again after struggling recently, probably following COVID. So, yeah, as I say, we'll put whichever images are best of the lake and the beams that I'll put up, and then we'll carry on and we'll see you a little bit later. Alright, well, we're well and truly back in Keswick now, and we're just actually walking past the school, or schools, it used to be schools and they amalgamated, and schools where our children went and two of our grandsons go, or one of our grandsons goes, because the other one has now gone to the big school. So yeah, as I say, we're back in Keswick, and it's been a good walk. I think by the time I get back it'll be about 5 miles that I've done. So yeah, no, it's good to get out. This will be a little bit different because I haven't really talked about any of the images, but I did take quite a few images, the bulk of them handheld. Well, the bulk of all of them handheld as we walked along. So there'll be a mixture of B-roll and handheld images at the appropriate time. The way I came back down, first of all, I was meant to be going through a forest, but that's all been chopped down now. So, and then there was a path marked on the map that I wanted to come down, but which I did come down, but it's very narrow, quite steep and slippery, and I think I have a phobia about falling, slipping and falling, so I was quite slow coming down. But I mean, I've had my GPS out, so we'll put a map up of where I've been, so you can see where I've been. And what I have decided, and you'll have seen by now, from the top of Latrigg I will put up an image of the Keswick and Derwentwater that I've taken at another time, that just shows the view a lot better. The light was very problematic today, shall we say, where I have got some images that were taken when the light was very good. So I'll put one up just to, along with the date, just so you can see what is possible from there. So yeah, and what's next? As I've been walking, I have been thinking, and depending on how long it takes me to edit the images and sort this video out, this is Saturday and I want it to go out tomorrow, which I will. There's plenty of time to get it done, but what if I could get it sorted quite quickly, I might go out tomorrow. I haven't actually looked at the forecast, because in the online photography club I'm in, the 617 club, we had a session about mushrooms, or photographing mushrooms, and I just thought, let's give it a go. We'll go out hopefully tomorrow, or possibly Monday, probably to Ashness Wood, and we'll see if we can find some mushrooms to photograph. Just thought it'd be a bit different. I think it's still covered under the broader thing of landscape photography. So yeah, I thought we'd do that. And what else, I'm not quite sure. So yeah, I think I've rambled enough. There's nothing else in my head, empty head, and we'll just get on home and we'll get started processing these pictures and video. So yeah, we'll just say we'll see you on the next video.